Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana, and in today's video we are going to be cash stuffing my first paycheck of March. We are stuffing a total of $595. So let's go ahead and take out the money so we can count it and then do my cash stuffing. Okay, so I do have the money here, and then we're just gonna give it a count to see if we do have $595. So we have 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 70, 90, 510, 530, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, and 95. So we do have $595 that we will be cash stuffing for the first week of March, which is good. Okay, here we go. Alright, so first of all, you guys, we are going to be starting off with my rent envelope. All of my bills envelopes right here are empty because I just paid my bills at the end of the month of February, so we are starting fresh. Now for my rent for the first 3 weeks of a month, I do put $200, and then the fourth week of the month I will just add $100, so that will be in total of $700. So let me go ahead and add $200. So we'll do 100. Actually, let me take this one, and then we'll take 250s for $200. Okay, so 100, 150, 200 into rent. Okay, now for health insurance, I do add $30 each week, so that will be a total of 120 for the month. Okay, we're starting fresh, so health insurance just has 30 in there. Alright, next is my phone bill, and then for my phone bill, I do pay $25 each month. So today I'll just be adding $10 in here. So I'll just do 5, 10, 2 5s. Okay. Okay, next we have my investments envelope, and that one I will be adding $10 in here today. So what I've decided to do is that at the end of the month, I will be unstuffing whatever money I have from my investments envelope, and I'll just going to be investing that money in the stock market instead of like reaching like an amount. So yeah, I just decided to do that. I changed my mind. So at first I wanted to reach $50, and then every $50 I was going to invest it, but actually at the end of the month I am going to unstuff whatever money I have here, and then I'm going to invest it in the stock market. Hope it makes sense. Okay, so today investments is getting $10. Okay, I'm just gonna be adding here whatever amount I can. Now for food is going to be getting 20. So now I have 25. Okay. Now for personal is going to be getting $20. So personal has 20, 30, and 35. 35 in personal. I can't think why. Oh yeah, so this is going to be for my toiletries now. That's why I added $20, and I haven't updated my trackers. I just realized that. So I'll be updating that after the video. Now for my spending envelope, I will only be adding $5 here. And then spending has 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. Wait, sorry. Let's count that again. 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, and $73 in spending. And this money right here is just for like any gifts for anyone. It can be like for my friends, for my family, just anyone that I would like to buy gift for. So yeah, that's what that category is for, and then my personal one is just for myself. Okay, now for my grandma, her envelope is empty as well because I just sent my grandma her money. So I'll be adding $10 in her envelope. So 2 5s, and then when we reach $50, which is like always at the end of the month, then I will unstuff her money and then send it to her. And then this one right here is my bank envelope. So this is the money that I did unstuff and bill exchange in my previous video. So I just kept it here because I just got paid. So I'll just use this money for my cash stuffings instead of just depositing it to the bank and then taking out the money for my cash stuffings, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is gonna be for my next cash stuffings. So that's it for my purple binder. Now let's go ahead and move on to my gray binder, which is my sinking funds binder. Okay, here we go. So starting off with my savings is getting $150. So we'll do, let's see, 100, 20, 40, and 50. So for my savings, I have $5,000 in the bank, 100, 20, 40, 50. So $5,150 in savings, which is really, really good. So happy for my savings envelope. Okay, now for new place is going to be getting $50. So let's go ahead and add the 50, and then new place has $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $500, $600, $700 in the bank now, and then 50. So $3,750 in new place. So if you're wondering why I have a lot of placeholders, well, this is the money that is already in the bank. For my bill exchange, I did replace $100 bills for prop money. So that way, the money that is in the bank can earn some interest instead of just being here in my envelope. So that's why. All right, now we have car, and car will be getting $20. So car has $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $120. So $4,120 in car. Alright, so moving on, we have my classes envelope, and for my classes, I am stuffing $40. So 20, 40. Okay. So classes has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 331, 332. Wait, is that correct? 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 1, 2. So $332. Okay, so I actually had to enroll already for my classes, you guys. I thought it was going to be like in the middle of March, but I checked and I could enroll since the 28th. So I did just enroll last night, and a lot of the online classes were full, which enrollment just happened, but a lot of students just got the online classes, which are the ones that I do take. But I did check, and then I could enroll in 2 classes which are online. So that's good. I did check the balance from my college, and then it says that I only have to pay $310. I was budgeting over $400 here, but for some reason they did deduct some money from my last quarter, from the quarter that I'm in right now, and then they say that I only have to pay $310 for my next 2 classes. So we do have enough money here to cover those classes, so that's good. I'm so happy for that. I am so happy that I don't have to pay $400 or more. So that's good. Now for my emergency fund, you will be getting $20. So emergency has $1,120. So $1,120 in emergency. Now for Christmas is going to be getting $5. So Christmas has 20, 25, and 30. So we have reached $30 here in Christmas, which is good. I have only been adding $5 here because like Christmas for me is not priority right now. So it can wait. Right now I'm just adding like $5 each week. Once we are closer to, you know, Christmas, then I'll be adding a little more into that category. Okay, now my last envelope here is for attorney, and it will be getting $5 as well. So attorney has $500 in the bank, 600, 700, 800, 810, and 815. So $815. Alright, so that is it for my cash stuffing for this week of March. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to leave this video a huge like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!